Anchor coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Anchor coin. This is the urgent news. Keep watch, never miss any second of this video. If you miss, so absolutely you will not understand. My friends, first of all, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now at this time, the CO coin price in the market is 0.070556 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the CO coin. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of this Anchor coin, so now the latest change is negative. The previous change, the whole change is open. The CO coin is Anchor coin is negative. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes is negative. So it's a bad time of Anchor coin. You know what? What should you do in this critical situation? My friends, a lot of people disappointed when they face this kind of situation, so they are disappointed. No, my friends, it's time to patience. It's time to hold, my friends. You have to patience. If you have patience, absolutely, you found a success. But if you have no patience, nothing you will get. Now, from the last 1 day, the price of the Anchor coin gradually, completely, my friends, was down in the Anchor coin. But now, if you look the latest changes of the Anchor coin, so my friends, in this time, the latest change token in the Anchor coin is going positive. You can see the last 60 minutes from this. You can see I'm talking about this. So hope there is a lot of possibilities with the price pump and you will get profit. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Anchor coin? Please tell me in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.